Welcome, let's learn about Retell Lecture.
We are a little stuck. We don't know how to be better. We don't know how to improve. Hi, I'm Chris Duffy, and I am the host of TED's new podcast, How to Be a Better Human. Every week, I'm going to be in conversation with guests and past speakers and smart people from all over the world who are going to offer actionable insights on how to be a little less terrible as partners, listeners, allies, activists, and all the other ways that we're human. Maybe you're trying to get it together for yourself.
It's a great question to really put yourself in the driver's seat to say, is this helping or harming me in my quest to get through this?
Or for society.
Connection happens by sharing an experience or by connecting verbally through conversation. And to connect through conversation, you have to be able to share your hopes, your dreams, your emotions. You have to be open. You have to get the other person to be open.
Or perhaps even the world.
I think it's really about just modeling your values in your day-to-day actions. You don't have to be an advocate to change the way a person sees the world or somebody else.
Most of us want to be better, but we're just not sure where to begin. Well, let's start right here. Because it's not just about being a good person. It's about learning how to be a better human.
How to be a better human was the main topic of the lecture. Firstly, the speaker highlighted the struggles individual experiences in trying to improve themselves. Furthermore, he mentioned the podcast aims to provide actionable insights on being better partners, listeners, allies, and activists. Moreover, he believed that the significance of connection and open communication in fostering personal growth and societal improvement. Then, the speaker talked about the idea that embodying one's values in daily actions can influence others positively. Acknowledgement that while many desire to improve, they often lack direction on how to start. Overall, the audio sets the stage for a series focused on self-improvement and the collective effort to enhance human interactions and relationships. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share, and subscribe my channel. And do not forget to press the bell icon to learn more.